Oh, it's your boy Hammy. Yesterday was my son's birthday, which is basically just an excuse for me to inhale a Dairy Queen ice cream cake. We dropped $50 Canadian, which is about $40 USD, on this 10-inch beast. The box claimed it feeds 12 to 16 people, but let's be real, it feeds about 4 of me if I'm having a midlife crisis. We went with the Oreo Blizzard flavor. It got that elite combo of vanilla soft serve, that mysterious signature fudge, and a crunchy center that hits harder than my mortgage payment. It's basically just a giant Oreo that went to private school. I'm rating this a solid 8 out of 10. My son liked it too. For more delicious cheap eats that'll make your trainer cry, hit that like and subscribe.